Talk am again. Anywhere where you catch me, if na food, hold me make I cook. If na cloth, hold me make I sew. If na your eyes, hold me make I check. So my Odogu neighbor said, Chi, I want to eat Abacha and all this rich. I said, say no more. And so we enter market. So first of all, this is our onions, finely sliced, otazi. Pepper, this is our dry pepper. I roasted and pounded this for fragrance. A busy for sumptuous, what do people call it? People will understand. So this is the way and pounded. This is the abacha. Obaka, somebody shout power because this Obaka is from Anambra. All thanks to my mama, Nemo power. I know you will see this video. This is Oba Kanda for the rishi, and this is red oil and ogiri. Hey, stay tuned. Let's dive in. Food. Yum. And of course my crayfish. I almost forgot. Odogu salt. oh. So for this recipe, I'm going to fry the abacha. I won't turn it the normal way because we already have kanda to turn. Okay, so I'll first go in with my oil and all that. So guys, our abacha is ready. So let's go on and turn the okay, for the oba, I've gone in with my potash ngo and I put red oil. So the aim is that you keep stirring. So I've gone in with my ogiri now. You can see it. So I'll keep stirring. The idea is stir till it turns yellow or kind of deep yellow. But me, I have where to go, so I won't get that perfect color blend. But you can see the color is aligning. So at this point now, start adding my blended pepper, ehuru, obaka, all those points. All right, so hold on, guys. So guys, this is our kanda. You can see there is enough oil, so that's when you're eating you get the point now. So this is the final one. Look at it. Bye people, I love you.